In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brake in Hubstaff. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring you know exactly what to do. So, let's dive right in. First, when you're in Hubstaff, pay close attention to the upper area of the interface, where you'll find various icons. Our attention is initially drawn to the time icon. It's typically situated above, prominently visible, making it easy for you to locate. This icon is central to your time management activities within Hubstaff, as it encompasses all the functionalities related to your tracked hours. Now, with the time icon in view, go ahead and click on it. This action is crucial because it will open up an array of options that show you more detailed insights into your time usage. By clicking that time icon, you're essentially entering the hub where you can keep track of your work hours and manage your workflow effectively. This area will provide you with an overview and is designed to be intuitive, helping you navigate through your time logs and see precisely where your time has been allocated. After you've accessed the time section, it's time to find the brake or the coffee icon. The coffee icon, also referred to as the brake icon, stands as your gateway to managing brakes within Hubstaff. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. Clicking this icon informs the system that you'll be taking a break, ensuring that your time tracking reflects that you're temporarily stepping away from active work. It's essential to correctly indicate when you're taking a break because it helps keep your work logs accurate, ultimately enabling better time management and analysis of productivity. By officially marking your breaks, you're providing yourself with an opportunity to manage your working hours more harmoniously, ensuring you have time to relax without impacting your overall work metrics. To sum up, navigating through Hubstaff to manage breaks is straightforward. You start by focusing on the time icon, clicking it to enter the dashboard area for time management. After that, proceed by locating the coffee icon or brake icon to officially indicate when you're stepping away. This process ensures that your time records are consistent and that you have a clear understanding of how your work time is structured, integrating breaks effectively. Remember, taking structured breaks can significantly enhance your productivity, helping you to recharge and return to work with fresh energy. So, next time you're on Hubstaff, just follow these steps to manage your break times efficiently and keep your time tracking accurate. I hope this guide has enhanced your understanding and you feel confident in navigating Hubstaff for optimal time management. Thank you for joining and happy tracking.